Did you know your kidneys filter about 50 gallons of blood every day? That's a lot of hard work. But with modern lifestyles, stress, and unhealthy diets, our kidneys can easily become overworked and overloaded with toxins. In this video, we'll explore 10 natural foods that can help cleanse your kidneys, boost their function, and keep your body healthy. These foods are easy to find, delicious, and can make a significant difference to your overall well-being. 1. Water. The ultimate cleanser. Water is the simplest yet most effective way to keep your kidneys healthy. By staying hydrated, you help your kidneys flush out toxins, prevent kidney stones, and maintain optimal kidney function. Aim for 6-8 glasses of water a day. 2. Cranberries. A urinary tract protector. Cranberries are packed with antioxidants that protect your kidneys from damage. They also prevent bacteria from sticking to the urinary tract, reducing the risk of infections. Enjoy cranberries in juice, smoothies, or as a snack. 3. Lemon water. A natural detox drink. Lemon water is a refreshing and powerful way to support your kidneys. The citrate in lemons helps prevent kidney stones by stopping calcium from crystallizing. It also aids in detoxification by promoting urine production. 4. Beets. A blood pressure booster. Beets are rich in nitrates, which help improve blood flow and lower blood pressure. This reduces the strain on your kidneys. Beets are versatile and can be enjoyed in salads, soups, or juices. 5. Spinach. A nutrient-dense green spinach is packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that support kidney health. It helps protect kidney cells from damage and aids in detoxification. Add spinach to smoothies, salads, or stir-fries. 6. Sweet potatoes. A potassium powerhouse. Sweet potatoes are a great source of potassium, which helps balance sodium levels and reduce blood pressure. They're also rich in antioxidants that protect kidney cells. Enjoy roasted, baked, or mashed sweet potatoes. 7. Turmeric. A golden spice for kidney health. Turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It helps reduce inflammation in the kidneys and protects kidney cells from damage. Add turmeric to curries, soups, or golden milk. 8. Ginger. A natural detoxifier. Ginger is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It also helps stimulate blood circulation, which aids in kidney function and detoxification. Add ginger to tea, smoothies, or stir-fries. 9. Apples. A fiber-rich friend. Apples are a good source of fiber, which helps regulate digestion and reduce the risk of constipation. They also contain antioxidants that protect kidney cells. Enjoy apples as a snack, in salads, or baked. 10. Garlic. A flavorful health booster. Garlic has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that protect kidney cells and reduce inflammation. It also helps lower blood pressure, reducing the strain on your kidneys. Add garlic to your cooking or take garlic supplements. Lifestyle tips for kidney health. Exercise regularly. Physical activity improves blood circulation and blood pressure control. Avoid harmful substances. Limit alcohol consumption, avoid smoking, and use medications responsibly. Maintain a balanced diet. Eat a diet low in sodium and rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to help your kidneys function optimally.